Now let's take a look at the revenue section from the left side menu. From the left side menu, click Revenue. This page helps you track all your income in one place. To add a payment, click Add Payment. A panel opens where you can enter the payment details. You can select the student the payment was received from, enter the amount, and choose the payment date. Next, select the payment method, such as cash, Zelle, Venmo, check, or other. You can also add optional notes, for example, to describe what the payment was for, or add any additional details. Once everything is filled out, click Add Payment. After adding the payment, it will appear in your revenue list. At the top of the revenue page, you'll see a summary showing your income for this month, the last 30 days, and year to date. This walkthrough covered the key features of Maestro Connect. That's everything you need to easily create and manage your lessons.